Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen Bread Maker 3034. This is a versatile appliance which not only bakes fresh homemade bread but also lets you conveniently knead atta and make jams. It has 12 preset menus for you to choose, which includes basic, white, French, whole wheat, quick, sweet bread, ultra fast, kneading dough, jam, cake and bake. It consumes only 615 watt of power and is fully automatic. Just put the ingredients as per the recipe, set the cooking time and press start. That's all. The bread maker will start at the pre-designated time to bake the bread, so that in the morning you get freshly baked, healthy and preservative-free breads in a hygienic way. The detachable non-stick baking pan with handle is convenient to use, and with a capacity of 3.5 liter, you can make 700 to 1000 gram bread. You can select the crust and color of the bread. The electronic control panel lets you set the bread maker for different baking and kneading chores. Just put the flour and the water, set on the function dough and let the bread maker do all the job and give you fresh dough automatically without the touch of the hands. One of the best features of this bread maker is a see-through viewing window that allows you to monitor the status of the baking inside. It also has the provision of light inside for better viewing. It also allows adding of nuts, dry fruits and other ingredients while the baking is in operation. An audible tone signals you to add mix-in ingredients into the machine. With this bread maker, you get 3 crust options to enjoy the perfect crust of your choice. Glen Bread Maker keeps the bread warm for up to 1 hour, and in case of a power failure, the memory function helps you to keep the temperature settings for 10 minutes. To sum up, this is a great appliance for your kitchen that kneads dough, makes fresh fruit jams, healthy breads, cakes and many more items without any hassle. Glen 3034 Bread Maker comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.